Hi, this is Debbie from Be Life Holistic Rewilding, and today I'm going to show you the soap ginger plant that's growing in my backyard here in Costa Rica. This plant is a species of ginger that is not used for eating, but traditionally by indigenous people it's been used for conditioning the skin and the hair. So I'm going to show you how you can collect the sap from this plant, use it in the shower or use it on your skin however you like, and it gives this soft, nourishing feeling to it and has this light gingery scent. So here we go. So here you see the cones of the ginger plant. So they're not the flowers, they're the cones. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up a container, but I'm going to leave them in the ground, so I'm not going to cut them. So what you want to do is you want to squeeze the liquid out of the cone. Now you can do a couple. So as you see, I leave the plant intact and it will replenish within a matter of a day. So no need to cut it. Again, no need to cut the plant. Now I'm going to put the container down for a moment and show you. You can just squeeze some in your hands and rub it on your skin. It has this really soft, nourishing feeling to it. You can smell it. Oh, and it has this nice, light, gingery scent, not overpowering at all. So this is my container. Now what I want to do is I'm going to strain it in a jar, because you can tell there's a little bit of debris in it that must have fell in the plant. So I'm just going to put it through the strainer, like this, into this container. And there you have it, a jar full of ginger soap. Now it's more of a conditioner than a soap, but if you are able to try this, I should say give it a go. You can give it a more scent by either adding essential oils or adding flowers that you boil in water for a little bit and just add the water to the ginger soap. I like it just like this. So this is how I'm going to be using it in the shower and on my skin. Thank you for watching. See you next time.